India. So, this mobile gets a good upgradation than the Honor 8X. So, today we'll be unboxing the Honor 9X and look at the specifications of it and what's inside the box. So, without wasting much of your time, my name is Santosh. You're watching Smart Tech. Do it unique. So here, let's start off by opening the box. Starting off by opening the box, you get the mobile first, uncovered by anything. That's the one thing I hate about it. Here you get the charger or adapter. And here is the USB Type-C port cable. And here you get the SIM ejector tool also, along with the user manual and the warranty card. So here is a shot of all the things which is there inside. Now let's start off by the features and specifications of the phone. Starting off, the price of the phone is 13,999 rupees in India. The display comes with a 6.59-inch FHD plus AMOLED display. And here is the volume button and the power button. Here is the charger cable, the speaker grill and a microphone jack. You even get a fingerprint scanner here and a logo of Honor. So here you can see the performance is on HiSilicon Kirin 710F. And the storage comes with 128 GB storage. The battery extends up to 4000 mAh, which might last up to 2.5 days. It even runs on the Android Pie based on EMUI 9.1 Android 9.0 Pie. It comes with 4 GB RAM or 64 GB RAM. Here's the main thing, the pop-up camera, which I like the most in the mobile. The pop-up camera comes with 16 MP. It can take amazing portraits. And here you can see the rear camera. Rear camera can shoot amazing videos and shots also. It comes with 48 MP plus 8 MP plus 2 MP camera. You get modes like panorama, portrait, night, aperture, pro, light painting and etc. So, if you see the complete review of the phone, in my opinion, I would rate this phone 4 star. So, why I didn't choose 5 or 4? There might be a lot of reasons behind it. So, basically, I do like the phone and I like the specifications of it. But there are some things negatively there. So, that's made me choose this as a 4.25. So, if you're watching till end, a huge thanks for you. If you want to see more, do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon on to get more instant updates. And I am Santosh, signing up from your Smart Tech. Do it unique. Bye.